Hello everyone, and welcome to MyniQ podcast. I'm your host, and I'll be sharing short English stories and conversations with you every day. Today's episode is Gears of Hash. And the text level is 7. Learn how to make really complicated sentences, check everything you learn, and practice using it by writing and talking. Stick around till the end for 5 quick questions to test your understanding. Alright then, let's get listening.
Gears of Ash. In the fog-shrouded streets of Clockwork City, a mysterious figure emerged from the shadows. The home insurance building was a marvel of innovation, now lay in ruins. A fire had ravaged its steel frame, leaving behind a smoldering skeleton. Amidst the devastation, a lone clockmaker, Elian, surveyed the damage with a mixture of sorrow and fascination. As he pondered the collapse of the iconic skyscraper, Elian's mind turned to the intricate mechanisms that governed the city's heartbeat. The gears, cogs, and pendulums that powered the metropolis seemed to be unraveling before his eyes. He envisioned a world where steam-powered engines gave way to ancient magic, where the harmony between humans and clockwork machines was disrupted. Elia's thoughts were interrupted by a soft whisper in his ear. The home insurance building's demise is not merely an accident, but a symptom of a greater imbalance. The clockmaker turned to face the enigmatic figure who had spoken. Her eyes gleamed with a knowing light as she added, "A master builder, Daniel Burnham, once sought to revolutionize architecture with his steel-frame design, but in doing so, he may have unleashed a catastrophic consequence that will reshape the very fabric of our world."
Now, let's move on to the conversation between Billy, Meg, Kelly, and their teacher, Llewyn, after reading the novel.
Whoa, what a twist! I didn't see it coming that Daniel Burnham's design could cause such chaos.
I know, right? It's like the story is saying that our creations can have unintended consequences and affect the world in ways we never thought possible.
Well, as a history teacher, I must say that this novel highlights the importance of considering the long-term effects of our actions, especially when it comes to innovation and progress.
But isn't it also saying that magic can be just as powerful as technology? I mean, Alien's clockwork machines are pretty cool, but they're not as magical as the mysterious figure who showed up at the end.
Yeah, and what's with the home insurance building being a marvel of innovation? Is it a commentary on how quickly we forget about our past achievements and how easily we can lose sight of what really matters?
I think that's a great point, Billy, and maybe the story is also hinting at the importance of balance between technology and nature magic.
Absolutely, Meg. The novel seems to be encouraging us to think about our place in the world and how we interact with it.
But what about Alien? Is he a hero or just a guy who's trying to figure things out like the rest of us?
Now, let's test your understanding of the novel and the dialogue with 5 questions. Question 1. Where did the mysterious figure emerge from? A. The fog-shrouded streets of Clockwork City. B. A destroyed building. C. The city's marketplace. D. Alien's workshop. E. Nowhere. The answer is A. The fog-shrouded streets of Clockwork City. Question 2. What had ravaged the home insurance building's steel frame? A. Fire. B. Rainstorm. C. Earthquake. D. Flood. E. Tornado. The answer is A. Fire. Question 3. Who spoke to Alien in a soft whisper? A. A master builder. B. A mysterious woman. C. Alien's friend Billy. D. The city's mayor. E. A clockwork machine. The answer is B. A mysterious woman. Question 4. What might have been unleashed by Daniel Burnham's design? A. A powerful magic spell. B. A catastrophic consequence that will reshape the world. C. A new era of architecture. D. A massive fire. E. A legendary creature. The answer is B. A catastrophic consequence that will reshape the world. Question 5. What did Carrie and Meg agree is a theme in the story? I. The importance of technology over magic. B. The danger of innovation and progress. C. The balance between nature and magic. D. The power of human creativity. E. The insignificance of individual actions. The answer is C. The balance between nature and magic. That's it for today's quiz. How many did you answer correctly? Thanks for tuning in to my channel today. I hope you enjoyed the stories and conversations and found the quiz challenging yet fun. Don't forget to subscribe or follow us for more daily English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.